Today, we wanted to just try and show you some of the basics of Edgenuity. There's hours and hours of webinars you can watch on this, but we're just going to quickly try and get you through some of the basics that you would need to get by. So the first thing you want to do is just go to the Edgenuity homepage, and if you could just select Educator Login, and then you can go ahead and type in your username is actually your school email address, and you can type in your password. And then once you're logged in, it will bring you here to this main screen. You can see there's some updates and things here. The main thing that we're going to do first is we're going to go through and we're going to try and show you how to customize a course. But before you can go through and customize a course, you should preview the course first, just to kind of get an idea of what chapters and units you'd want to rearrange or eliminate. So the easiest way to do that, there's many ways to do this, but I think the easiest way to do it is just go to courses first. And then underneath courses, if you could just pick manage courses, it's going to bring you to this screen. And this screen has every single course that Edgenuity offers. I like to do it this way because it shows the course, but it also shows the grade. So all you have to do is just go through, you can search a subject and you can pull up the courses from that subject. If there is a course that has an A and a B, A is typically traditionally the first semester, the first half of the year, while Part B is the second half of the year. So what you need to do next is you're going to go through and you're going to pick which course you'd like to customize. I'm going to go through and customize a 7th grade math class. Notice I'm going to pick 7A. I'm going to pick the first half of the year course. So all I have to do is just click on it, just check mark it there. And then what I would do is I would go up here to where it says more. And if you pick the drop down menu there, if you pick view course structure, we're going to go through and this allows you to preview the course. And again, you should preview the course before you go into the customization feature. When you're in customization, you're not able to actually open the lessons individually. So it's easier to do it here now first. Okay, so when you open your course, it will go through and it will list all of the different units for you. Underneath each unit, it will go through and list the chapter. And then underneath each chapter, it will list the actual lesson. Underneath all the lessons are all the different activities for that particular lesson. So what I would probably do first is just spend a couple minutes here, just go through and look at the different lessons. And maybe you can open them up and view them if you'd like to see them by clicking on the links. They'll open for you. And then that way, if you wanted to go through and preview anything, make sure it's good. I would just spend, like I said, just a little bit of time here, just looking through and just gathering and getting an idea of what you'd want to keep in your course and what you'd want to go through and what you would want to eliminate. One thing to keep in mind is that every single lesson is about an hour's worth of work. So if you look at any one of these individual lessons, so here's solving problems involving decimals. If I take the warm-up, the instruction, the summary, the assignment, and the quiz, all of that is going to take a student about an hour to do. So again, one important thing to keep in mind is that every single lesson is about an hour's worth of work.